Good evening, everyone. I'm Jason Fitzner. I'm the National Honor Society advisor. I'm also the electrical instructor here at Camp Tech. I want to thank you for being here tonight. I want to thank the faculty for also being here. Parents, you've had an amazing responsibility raising your son and your daughter. For being in the National Honor Society is not easy. These two made it easy. I'm just going to tell you, I'm not going off the speech that we had prepared today. I'm going to make it nice, short, and simple, and just get right to the point. These two are the best that we have in the school. It was really, really easy for them to be in here. I was really looking forward to both of them signing up for the National Honor Society because I knew they would be first votes, and they were. There was nothing negative to say about either one of them, so they really did us proud. And Ian, you're as well. Ian is a former National Honor Society for us. Ian was a little bit, but I wanted you in here. We fought for you to be here. You're here. Thank you for being here too. They represent the 4 pillars of National Honor Society, which is scholarship, service, leadership, and character. As we have and we've done for the past 3 years, we are going to introduce each one of them up here to say what each one is so that they can light the candle. After the candle, we'll have the pin ceremony and we'll give them their certificates. So the first one is Deb.
Scholarship denotes a commitment to learning. A student is willing to spend hours in reading and studying, knowing the lasting benefits of a cultivated mind. We should continue to learn, even when formal education has ended, for human education only ends with the end of life. Knowledge is one great element in life, which leads to the highest success, and it can be acquired in only one way, through diligence and effort. Learning furnishes the lamp by which we read the past, the torch guiding us to understand the present, and the light that illuminates the future. Candidates have the charge to continually expand the world through the opportunities inherent in scholarship.
Luke?
Second pillar is service. My office is service. Service can be established in the routine of the day's work, where many opportunities arise to help others both at school and in the community. A willingness to work for the benefit of those in need without monetary compensation and public recognition. It is a quality we seek in our membership and promote for the entire student body. We are committed to volunteering our time and talents to the creation of a better tomorrow.
Leadership with Deb again.
Leadership. Leadership should exert a wholesome influence on the school, and taking initiative in the classroom and in school activities, the real leader strives and train and aid others to reach their common goals of success. The price of leadership is sacrifice, the willingness to yield one's personal interests for the interests of others. A leader has self-confidence and will go forward when others hesitate. No matter what power and resources may exist in a school, community, or nation, they are ineffectual without the guidance of a wise leader. Leadership is always needed, thus to lead in a meaningful and substantive charge to each of our members.
And character with Luke.
Character is a force within the individual that distinguishes each person from others. It creates for each of us our individuality, our goodness, It is that without no one can respect oneself, nor hope to attain the respect of the others. It is this force of character that guides one through life and once developed, grows steadily within. Character is achieved and not received. It is the product of constant thought and action, the daily striving to make the right choice. The problem of character is the problem of self-control. We must be in reality what we wish to appear to others to be rather than to receive. By demonstrating such qualities as respect, responsibility, trustworthiness, fairness, caring, and citizenship, we may hope to prove by example that we value character.
All right. At this time, I'll ask for our two inductees to please step up and then put your right hand up for the pledge. Please repeat after me. I pledge to uphold the high purposes of the National Honor Society, to which I have been selected. I will be true to the principles for which it stands, and will maintain and encourage the high standards of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Thank you. Luke, if you may, please step forward. I present to you the National Honor Society certificate. Congratulations. Deb? I present to you the certificate for the National Honor Society. Congratulations. As been tradition in the school, as this is only the fourth time we've done it, we're trying to have a tradition as well. I'd like to invite anyone who would like to pin their student. As the advisor for the fourth year, I congratulate you. Thank you. And now I'll turn this over to our principal, Mrs. Banks.
Okay, so this completes our fourth National Honor Society induction ceremony here at Camp Tech. I would like to thank our superintendent, Dr. David O'Rourke, our director, Leo File, and all of our staff who are here today. Not to be overlooked, Luke and Deb, congratulations. Such an amazing honor. We are so proud of you. And thank you to our families for coming today to share this special moment with us.